What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making homemade air fryer corn dogs. Easy to make. Let's get started. First, you want to take 3/4 of a cup of yellow cornmeal, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of sweetener, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and then go ahead and combine all of your dry ingredients in a glass bowl or a mixing bowl. Add in 1.5 tablespoons melted butter, 1 egg beaten, and 1 cup of buttermilk. And then combine your corn dog batter. I like to use a silicone spoon to mix this up. And then take 6 uncured beef franks. I like to use nitrate-free hot dogs that are beef, and then dry those really well. That will prevent the hot dogs from sticking to the corn dog batter. And then take wooden skewers. I like to use bamboo skewers, and then thread each hot dog about 3/4 of the way up the hot dog. And then add your corn dog batter to a tall drinking glass. That'll make it easy to dunk the hot dogs and get the batter well coated throughout. And I like to add these to a parchment paper lined air fryer and then spritz them with just a little bit of oil, and then air fry those on 400 degrees for 8 to 12 minutes. Your cooking time will vary based on how well your batter is spread throughout. And there you have it, homemade corn dogs right in your air fryer.